Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. Today's video is part 2 in my spring cleaning series, the master bedroom. The cleaners I'm using in this video will be my E-Cloth for my glass, Pledge for all my wood surfaces, and for really dirty surfaces like window trim and baseboards, I just got a spray bottle and put a cap full of Mr. Clean, filled the rest with water, and it makes the best multi-surface cleaner. Now let's get to cleaning.
Keep all your game, highs and lows, highs and lows. It's all the same, highs and lows, highs and lows. Keep all your game, highs and lows, highs and lows. It's all the same, highs and lows, highs and lows.
But I have to stay afloat. It's not easy. Be a person you don't want. Can somebody take me other thing? Going to do. Where's the life I? Where's my shy? Who is this called living? I don't know. Where's the life I? Where's my shy? Who is this called living? I don't know. I don't wanna grow. Just live myself. I don't wanna grow. The things I left behind me. I don't wanna grow. Just live myself. I don't wanna grow. The things I left behind me. Just live behind me. Just live behind me. Look behind me. walking away. Your words are lost on me. It's taking everything not to turn around. Throw it away. See if you'll let go of me when you're not holding me. I can see it now. Hey, when I lose, but if I'm gonna lose you, I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose it. I'm like, oh shit, I've been doing this a long time. Lost in my head, I don't care, I'm not gonna lose it. I'm not gonna lose this. I'm up all day, all night, replaying our last fight. Now in hindsight, I don't care, I'm not gonna lose it. I'm not gonna lose this. Yeah, kinda hate myself sometimes. Everything was on the line. Didn't wanna be the one who had to say it. No, I can't rewind the time. Promise I'll put down my pride. Don't look back because I mean it when I say it. But if I'm gonna lose you, I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose it. But if I'm gonna lose you, I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose this. If I'm gonna lose you, I don't care. I'm gonna lose it. I'm not gonna lose this. I hate myself sometimes. Everything's on the line. It's hindsight. I don't care to say it. No, I can't rewind the time. Promise I'll put down my pride. Don't look back because I mean it when I say it. I know you feel like you want me, and I guess in a way you do. Holding my breath, unraveling emotions. I need some space to think this through. Call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I need. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I promise now's not the right time. Yeah, I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. Look away so you won't see, 'cause the pain is in my eyes. Feels like I could break it any moment and shatter your insides. If you read my mind, call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I need. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I promise now's not the right time. Yeah, I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I would rather lie. I would rather lie. I don't wanna fight. I would rather lie to you. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. Yeah, I don't wanna fight with you.
My wonderful husband wanted to help, so he cleaned the ceiling fan and he's going to help me make the bed. He's the best. We've been married for 21 years, together 23 years. We have 2 daughters and a son together, and they are my world.
If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you, I would rather lie to you. I promise, now's not the right time. And I don't wanna fight with you, I would rather lie to you. I would rather lie, I would rather lie. I don't wanna fight, I would rather lie to you. I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you, I would rather lie. I would rather lie.
Thank you for watching. Okay, I got part 2 done. Next will be the kids' room, and I'm looking so forward to that. They have so much stuff. But oh well, it needs to be done, so stay tuned for that. If you're new, hit that red subscribe button and don't forget to click the bell so you get notified of my up and coming videos. Give me a thumbs up and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!